Good morning, students. Students, we are in topic conditional identities. So, let us start some more problems of conditional identities. Write down the first question. More or less in question, condition will be same. That means either A plus B plus C is equal to pi, or in triangle ABC. So write down the question. If A plus B plus C is equals to pi, then prove that sin B plus C minus A plus sin C plus A minus B plus sin A plus B minus C is equals to 4 cos A cos B into cos C. 4 cos A cos B into cos C. If A plus B plus C is equals to pi, then prove that 4 cos A into 4 cos A cos B cos C. So see the students, this is the question of sine. So we start as usual from left side. Your LHS is sin B plus C minus A plus sin C plus A minus B plus sin A plus B minus C. What is given? C. A plus B plus C is equal to pi. Then B plus C is pi minus A. 1 minus A is already there. So it should be written as pi minus 2A. Similarly, C plus A is equal to pi minus B. Minus B is already here. So pi minus 2B plus sin pi minus 2C on the same way. Just make a correction. Your question is not positive, this is negative. Sorry. Minus sin pi minus 2C. Now, sin pi minus theta, you already know it is sin theta. So it should be sin 2A plus sin 2B minus sin 2C. Apply the formula for sin C minus sin D. Sorry, plus sin D. Make another correction. This is not cos C, this is sin C. 4 cos A cos B sin C. Now sin C plus sin D, that should be 2 sin C plus D by 2. 2A plus 2B by 2. 2 is common. A plus B into cos C minus D by 2. 2A minus 2B by 2 means it should be A minus B. And this should be written as 2 sin C into cos C. Convert sin A plus B as pi minus C. Use condition cos A minus B minus 2 sine C remains same. Cos C should be written as cos pi minus A plus B. Sin pi minus C, that is sin C, 2 sin C into cos A minus B minus 2 sin C cos pi minus C, that is minus cos theta. So this becomes positive cos A plus B. Take out common. What is common? 2 sin C. So take out 2 sin C as common. Now I am going to write positive term, that is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Again apply the formula for cos C plus cos D, that is 2 sin C into 2 cos A plus B plus A minus B. B and B should cancel here. 2A by 2, which becomes A, into cos A minus B minus A plus B, that means B. A should cancel. Now finally multiply these two 2's, which is 4. So it should be 4 cos A into cos B into sin C, which is your RHS, hence the result. Always use conditions properly, you will definitely get your result. Write down next question. If A plus B plus C is equals to pi, then prove that cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C is equals to 1 minus 2 cos A into cos B into cos C. See, this is your question. Start from LHS. Our LHS is cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C. In the very first step, children, rationalize it by 2. So 1 by 2, each term here multiplied with 2. So 2 cos square A, 2 cos square B plus 2 cos square C. Since cos 2 theta is equals to, 2 cos square theta minus 1. So 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta. Therefore, it should be written as 1 plus cos 2A plus 1 plus cos 2B plus 1 plus cos 2C. 3 ones together becomes 3, means 2 plus 1, that is 3, plus cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C. Now apply cos C plus cos D formula here. So 1 by 2 See, these together, this is formula for 2 cos 2a plus 2b by 2 means cos a plus b into cos 2a minus 2b by 2, that is a minus b. The next term is cos 2c. This should be written as 2 cos square c minus 1. These two ones should cancel because it is plus and minus. Now, this should be written as 2 plus, convert accordingly condition, means a plus b is pi minus c into cos a minus b. Here 2 cos is there, so cos 1 cos c remains same and another is cos pi minus a plus b, because a plus b plus c is equal to pi. In next step, between these two terms, see, cos pi minus c, that is minus cos c, pi minus a plus b, that becomes minus cos a plus b. So minus 2 cos c will be common. So plus and minus together becomes minus. So take minus 2 cos c is common. So this term become positive and this again become positive, cos a plus b, because minus comes outside the bracket. So write, this should be cos a plus b, this term first write, then plus cos a minus b. Open this bracket. This is 1. This again multiplied with 2 and 1 by 2 is 1 cos c. And now apply the formula for cos c plus cos d here. Then 2 cos a plus b plus a minus b, that is a, b and b cancels together. Similarly, cos a plus b minus a, open the bracket, then it becomes plus b. Here minus and plus 1 should cancel, so again becomes cos b. And arrange them properly, then it should be 1 minus 2 cos a into cos b into cos c. Now I am writing here some more problems. Your next question is, prove that, this is just, all questions are on the same pattern. If a plus b plus c is equals to pi, then prove that a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then prove that cot b into cot c plus cot c into cot a plus cot a into cot b is equals to 1. This is your question. See, this is question of cot. So what I have said earlier, the problems of tangent and cot will start with condition. So see what is given. It is given that a plus b plus c is equals to pi. Convert one term into right side. Then a plus b should equals to pi minus c. This is problem of cot, so take cot into both side. So cot a plus b is equals to cot pi minus c. Now cot pi minus theta. So cot pi minus c is minus cot c. So we should write it as minus cot c. Now left side cot a plus b. So apply the formula for cot a plus b, which is cot a into cot b minus 1 divided by cot a plus cot b, and in right side we have minus cot c. Now multiply cross means apply cross multiplication. So multiply cross, then we have cot a into cot b minus 1 is equals to minus cot c into cot a minus cot c into cot b, means minus cot b into cot c minus cot c into cot a. Now make these two terms into left side and minus 1 into right side. So in left side we have cot a into cot b. These two terms minus and minus into left side becomes positive. So plus cot b into cot c, and this is again positive, cot plus cot c into cot a, and in right side here this is 1 because it is negative, so in right side it becomes positive, so this is 1, hence the result. So children, always remember that problems of cot and problems of tan always start with condition, that is a plus b plus c is equal to 5, and the remaining problem, that means problems of sine and cos, proceed with LHS and get RHS simplification. If any terms, that means square, cos square a plus cos square b plus cos square c, so convert, I have already discussed the second problem, convert in terms of 2a angles. Cos square 2a is 1 plus cos 2a, sin is 2 cos square a is 1 plus cos 2a, and 2 sin square a is 1 minus cos 2a. Convert in this way and then proceed. As soon as class is over, I will provide you some more question as a classwork. You solve it and submit by today. And I wish you all the best for your future, for getting good result. Thank you. Thank you.